Become an advocate for facts or spread false information in the Anti-Rumour game. Players impersonate content creators selected to participate in a content creation challenge on social media. Each player prepares a script on a topic assigned to them randomly. Some players are truth enthusiasts, but some are conspirators determined to spread false information. All you need to play the game is our set of cards that you can print yourself. Players have 10 to 15 minutes to research their assigned topic. Then they pitch their script for a video on the topic to the group. After each presentation, players vote in secret if they want to publish the video or not. Truth enthusiasts want to publish only factual information, while conspirators try to spread disinformation. At the beginning of each round, the facilitator distributes new role cards and new message cards. At the end of 3 rounds, the facilitator checks the players' votes and lets the group know how much disinformation was spread. There is also room for discussion on individual topics. All of the game material to print at home and a digital version are available on the Anti-Rumour website.